The era of the incremental update is officially dead. For years, we've been told that the smartphone has reached its peak. We've been told that the difference between one year and the next is just a slightly better camera or a marginally faster chip. But as we sit here in 2026, something is shifting deep within the design labs of Apple Park. A device is being finalized that doesn't just push the boundaries, it erases them. This is the iPhone 18 Pro Max, and it is the most aggressive, most powerful, and most controversial redesign in the history of the product. If you think your current iPhone is good enough, or if you were planning on skipping this cycle, you need to listen very closely. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Because Apple is about to change the rules of the game in a way that will make everything else in your pocket look like a relic from the past. Think about the last time you were truly shocked by a phone. Was it the removal of the home button? The introduction of the dynamic island? Those were just ripples. What's coming with the iPhone 18 Pro Max is a tidal wave. We are talking about the world's first 2-nanometer processor. We are talking about a camera system that physically moves like a professional DSLR. And for the first time in nearly a decade, we are looking at a display that is truly, finally, all-screen. The invisible Face ID isn't just a rumor anymore. It's a reality that is currently moving through trial production as we speak. Let's talk about the heart of this machine, the A20 Pro chip. This isn't just silicon, it's a declaration of war. For the last few years, the gap between mobile chips and desktop chips has been shrinking. With the A20 Pro, that gap disappears. Built on TSMC's cutting-edge 2-nanometer process, this chip is so dense, so efficient, and so powerful that it shouldn't be able to run in a device without a cooling fan. We're talking about a 15 to 20% jump in raw performance, but more importantly, a 30% increase in power efficiency. This means the iPhone 18 Pro Max isn't just faster, it's smarter. It's the first iPhone designed from the ground up to run Apple Intelligence locally, without ever needing to touch the cloud. Your data, your AI, your life, all processed in milliseconds right in the palm of your hand. But power is nothing without a canvas. Look at the front of this device. Since the iPhone X, we've lived with a notch or a pill-shaped cutout. We've accepted that a piece of the screen must be sacrificed for security. Not anymore. The iPhone 18 Pro Max introduces under-display Face ID. By using a specialized sapphire glass that allows specific infrared wavelengths to pass through the pixels, Apple has finally hidden the sensors. The dynamic island, as useful as it was, is shrinking into a tiny, elegant punch hole for the front camera, and in some prototype renders, it disappears entirely during video playback. It is a 6.9-inch slab of pure, uninterrupted light. This is the infinity display we were promised a decade ago, finally realized through sheer engineering will. Now, let's get into the feature that is sending shockwaves through the photography world, the Variable Aperture Fusion camera. For over a century, professional photographers have used the aperture to control light and depth of field. On a phone, this has always been fake, a software trick called portrait mode. The iPhone 18 Pro Max changes that. The 48-megapixel main sensor now features a mechanical lens system that physically opens and closes. Want that creamy, natural bokeh for a portrait? The lens opens wide.